Hi, if you want to turn on or off power saving mode on Honor Magic 7 Lite, then all you have to do is just open your control center by swiping down from the upper right corner. Now you should simply drag this line down as well, like that, to check more features. And from here, if you scroll a bit, you would see power saving. So, if you choose to enable it, it will turn on the dark mode, turn off always on display, auto synchronizing and beauty, restrict the background activities, and reduce visual effects. So if you want to enable it, just tap it like this and choose to enable on the bottom. And now you can see that my home screen interface changed. That is because dark theme is applied now. Also, it may disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is inactive. And now if you want to disable power saving mode, go back in your control center, swipe down again, and tap on this blue icon power saving so it will become black. And please note that some notifications may not arrive in time if Wi-Fi and mobile data are turned off in this sleep mode, power saving mode. This may be important for those who are expecting important messages. And if you want to access this feature from settings, then let's open it, scroll down and choose battery tab. And here it is, power saving mode and also ultra power saving mode. To enable, just tap on this switcher. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.